What's up, YouTube? ThatCanuck here, and today I wanted to share with you a little situation that had happened to me while visiting my brother. And it's sort of a pain in the ass, if I can say so, because I left my key in the ignition and I killed my battery because this headlamp takes up a lot of power and my battery died. So I was pretty much well stuck until I thought, well, wait, there's something that I can do, because even in cars and motorcycles, you can push start them to get them started instead of using the battery. Now, it's not something that I recommend that you do every day, as it can be hard on the transmission. But if you ever have a dead battery, oh, that's heavy. If you ever have a dead battery, well, you'll know what to do. And I'm just gonna catch my breath. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do when you're popping the clutch or push starting it, whatever you want to call it really, is pull in the clutch, put yourself in second gear. First gear you can do it, but it's a little bit harder on the clutch, so put yourself in second gear and then take your keys and put yourself on the on position of the bike. Okay, I'm in second. Just have to turn the bike around. And what you're going to want to do is hold the clutch in, just like this. Find a nice little hill that you can roll down, like this one. And once you start once you get rolling, you let go of the clutch quickly. The engine should turn over, and then you can give it a little bit of gas, very little, so you don't stall, and then you can re-pull the clutch in so that you don't stall. So just open the garage. And you want to get going pretty fast. And release the clutch. And that's all you have to do. Is just release the clutch, but it has to be in one stroke, or else if you release it slowly like you normally should in a shift, you can it's not going to work. So you have to give it one foul swoop and your bike will start right from there. So if you ever have a dead battery and you don't know how to start it, well, now you do. And you can also have a couple of friends push you on the bike. As long as it gets up to like maybe 10 kilometers an hour, maybe 5 miles per hour, you'll be able to start the bike and you won't be stuck. Okay. In the ghetto. Next week I'll be starting a new segment on this channel, and essentially I'm going to be visiting a new city and showing you what to do while in said city, and maybe some motorcycle routes and things to visit while there. Now, next week is going to be kind of special because I've lived there before and I haven't been there in a while. So until then, leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.